So hello friends, so in this video of Power BI series we will learn about different charts in Power BI. So how we can make this chart. So we will make a stack chart here, then we will make a ribbon chart, and then we will make a funnel chart. So all these charts we will make here in Power Query. So how we can make it, let's see. So first of all, we will create a stack chart, and for that we need a data. To get the data, we are in the home tab, then you can go to insert tab or any other tab. So I will go to this tab, home tab, and then get data, and from to get data I will take this Excel worksheet. So I already have downloaded I already have a one sheet April. So I want to use this April sheet here which contain a data so that we can convert them into a chart. So I just double click this. So after double clicking this, a window will appear, and from here I will take sheets. I will select from April this sheet 1 and just load this. Nothing, I just directly load this. So this sheet will be loaded. So it have 34 rows and rows which include here. So this sheet contain following data. I will just click over this. I will just click over this. So it includes price, product, region, sales, salesman, and unit. And from this we have to make a stack chart. So if I will double click over this, so it will create an area where we can create a chart. Now we have to create a stack chart. So this is for stack chart. So I will click on this stack chart. So we have a stack chart format loaded in our screen. So I just increase its size. Now I have to put some data in this visualization below this x axis, y axis, legend. So how we can take that? So first of all, in x axis I will take product. I will put product in the x axis, and then I will take the sales in our y axis, and then last is region. So I will put this region in our legends. So in this way we can create a stack chart. So our stack chart have region, east, west, north, south, and our sum of sales, and we can do editing with this chart. So if I will go to this window, this icon here in visualization, so I will just click over this visualization. So I can do editing with this. So if I need some new things here, like first of all I will go to x-axis, and it will ask about values. How do you need values? I just bold this and then just increase the size. So now our data is quite bigger and it look much better, and just keep it somewhere here, and then I will go down. It will ask about titles. I click on title and click bold and just increase the size. So it will increase the size of product also, and if I want to give it some color I can do that also. I give it a color also, and then I just move down. Then I will go to legends, and in the legend text I increase the size of text. So because our data is showing according to the region, so I just increase the size. So northeast, so color is more clear. Then I will go to title. Title is our region. I think that's okay. Then I will go to columns. If you want to make changes, some changes in the color, we can do that. We don't need that. That's according to you. Then I will go to journal, and journal in title I just make it bold and increase the size, and then I will go here in the background and take a blue background here and keep it in the center. So now we are able to create a stack chart here. I just go it below. So this is our stack chart, and the data and everything will be, if we will go over this, so we can see about total sales. And if we want to see according to region wise, So I just click control from my keyboard select this one, select second one, select third one, fourth one and fifth one, and press right arrow key from keyboard, or right arrow key from keyboard, again right arrow key, and say include. So now we are able to see the sales of one region only, West. So whichever reason you like to say the sales, or either if you want to go back, you just press undo from your keyboard and you are back to your original data. And if you want to see focus media, so you can see report in a better format, better way, and formatting you can do more, that's up to you. So this is the way we can create this is called our chart. And this chart, so friends, so we are creating a ribbon chart here now. To create a ribbon chart, we have an area here, and we just double click over this. So it will asking about preparing, and then here we just click from ribbon chart, or either we can drag this to this area or double click over this. So we have a ribbon chart format here, and now we can create a ribbon chart over this. I just increase this size. Then I will go in this visualization box below filters, where we have to put down which data we need to be in our ribbon chart. So first of all thing is, what we will do, I will just click over this salesman and keep it in y-axis. Then I will take product in our x-axis, and next thing is I will take region in our legend. So now it's look our ribbon chart. So it is not clear generally what is this all about. So it include, like this area which is above shows our top sales region. Similarly here also it will show top sales region, third one also show top sales, fourth one and fifth one. So if you want to see all these things in one, so which are our top region performers, so I will just click control from my keyboard, press that, then click from mouse, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and press and include. So after including that, it's not added all of them, so I will just control that. Again we will do that, control from my keyboard and press one by one, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, right click, right click, right click and include. So now we can see region wise top performers products. Okay, so east region we have in certain, we have west region, and some in east, west, and some in our other regions. So according to region we are finding and if you want to go back, just press undo. And if you want to do some formatting, same process, we go there and format your visual. Then in x-axis, if you want to make changes, bold data, increase size, and if you want to increase the color or change the color also, you can do that also. If we take this brown, so everything will be brown. Titles, if you want to change the title also, that you can change. Okay, yeah, this is our product, this is sales. And if you want to make changes to our data labels, no data pair, ribbon, if you want to make, so whatever formatting you can do from here. You just have to go through and find out what is the data we have and how we can do the changes with the data. So everything will be present here. Changes can be done from this side, text, bold, and if you want to increase the size also. So now it's more clear which region is there. Then we can go to journal and titles and make it bold, and background data we can take some and keep it in center. Now I will just put it a bit down in this way, and if you want to see our complete, so this is our process of seeing the data, how it's look. So that's all from this. Next is our funnel. So to create a funnel, we go to funnel again. I will just double click over this funnel, and we can take this one. This is funnel, and just drag this. It's not dragging, we just have to double click this. Now we have a funnel here. We increase the size. So it contains category and value. So in category I will take according to our products, and in values I will take our sales. So it shows us our product wise sales of our total sales made, and whatever formatting we want to do, we can do with this button, and make whatever changes we like to make. Like title, if you want to increase the size of title, we can do that. Color, if you want to change the color of our text, that is also possible, we can do that. If you want to give the background also something, you can do that. So whatever way you like, you can give in that way. That's your choice, how you want to give your format that data. And then center. So this is our data in the center. In the visual, we can increase the label size, category, what you want to do. Bold. So this is our labels, color, whatever. Values. So all things will be there inside, and values, whatever. Bold, and increase this also. So this way you can make a funnel chart also. So that's all from this side for this all chart. Thank you.